I am delighted to stand here and honored by the invitation to represent, first of all, the AME Zion Church, a church founded in 1796 in New York City. But I'm also standing to represent the National Council of Churches, which represents 37 different denominations, over 100,000 congregations, and 30 million members around the United States of America. When I came in and I was asked to take off my shoes, I was reminded of Moses being commanded to take his shoes off, for you are standing on holy ground. We are truly on holy ground today. This monument that has been erected, the wonderful way in which the architects have given so much detail, is awe-inspiring. We are standing on holy ground. Dr. Martin Luther King in 1958 was addressing an assembly at Purdue University, and he said, we've got to reach out one to the other and walk humbly with our God. You cannot walk these grounds in arrogance. You cannot walk these grounds without bowing your heads in humility. There was a debate between the sun and the cave. And the cave says, I don't believe that there's such a thing called light. And the sun says, well, I don't believe there's such a thing called darkness. And so they came up with an agreement. The sun said, I'll invite you up to where I live so you can see what light looks like. And then you invite me down to the cave so I could see darkness. Indeed, when the cave came above ground, he looked around and he said, light is real. All I see is the brightness of the sunshine. And so the sun says, well, now show me darkness. And the cave said, come with me down underground. And indeed, he went underground. But every place he looked, all he saw was light. He looked around the corner, he just saw light. And the cave said, look under that rock, it's very dark there. The sun says, no, all I see is light. The cave said, I don't know what happened. There was darkness everywhere until you showed up. But what makes this powerful most of all is the people who are a part of this great movement. Thank you for the amazing, amazing hospitality.